going to try a little inside fly with this one. Let's start the motors up. Show a little bit of the yaw rate. That's in mode 1. Yaw rate in mode 1. Go ahead and go on up to mode 2. Yaw rate's a little bit faster. And we're going to go on up to mode 3. Yaw rate's a whole lot faster, a whole lot more responsive. I'm not going to try any flips in here, but I did hover it earlier. It hovered for a good 15 minutes before it started getting, battery started getting low. Go ahead and bring it on back down to mode 1. See, the yaw rate's not so fast on mode 1. I mean, it's pretty stable for not having any kind of positioning or anything like that. Pretty decent little drone. But like I said, I'm not going to try any flips in here because I don't really have enough room, and I'm not sure how much room it takes to do a flip. But I'm pretty impressed with this drone. It's real responsive. And that's only in mode 1. Let's kick it up to mode 2. Oh, wipe out. Alright, we're going to give it another little shot here. Start the motors. 1 key lift off. Get off that wall. Alright. Show you that yaw rate again. That's in mode 1 there. Alright, I'm going to bring it over here where I got some floor, and I'm going to go ahead and land her. Alright guys, I'll be back here shortly with the review. Alright guys, back with that review. You know, for a toy drone, I'm pretty impressed with this Phantasm. I was kind of skeptical at first. Now, I did have one problem. I had a little crash into the wall. I mean, nothing major, but I noticed that one of these legs did not have a screw in it, and there is a little cap that covers the gear down here on the bottom. And when I hit the wall, this whole leg came off, and the cap that covers the gears came off. But luckily, I had more screws in my handy dandy drone box. It's got all my drone parts in it. I had some screws that would fit this thing. This thing does flips. I couldn't do any flips in here. At a later date, I'll throw a video up with me doing some flips and stuff with it. This thing flew for a long time, guys. I want to time it one day. I didn't get to time it, but I'm telling you, it was a good 15 minutes plus. This thing flew on one battery and still had some left to go. Like I said, I just flew it around here in the room, and that's all I could really do right now. Here's your features. It's got the 360 flips, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Of course, it's going to fly outdoors. It's got altitude hold, 1 key return. Now, do not get that confused, guys. I know most of you guys that follow my channel know that this is not return to home. This is only returning opposite of which way it was going when it was going forward. It's got headless mode. Of course, it's got LED lights, and it has a Wi-Fi app, which is pretty much the standard Wi-Fi app for a lot of these Chinese drones. It's the Wi-Fi UFO app. This is once again called the Phantasm. You know, guys, I'm gonna have to give this one 4 stars out of 5 for a toy drone. I mean, I was totally impressed with this thing. I was kind of iffy when they sent it to me, but you know what? I'm really impressed. I like it. I like the designs. It's durable. Now they do have a black version as well. I've seen one of my other buddies out there has done a review on this, and it's got the black version. He's got the black version. This camera, I didn't get to test the camera out yet, but it is 720p Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi UFO, so it's probably pretty good. But on my next video, I'll go ahead and throw that in there. But besides that, guys, oh, they have 3 versions. Look here, they have a red one, a white one, and a black one. But honest to God, guys, I give this 4 stars. Biggest thing about it is that the yaw rate also goes up with your increase in rates. Put it in mode 1, which is beginner. The yaw rate's slow. Mode 2, it's a little bit faster. Mode 3, it's real fast and real responsive. If you looked in the video and you saw the video, you'll see that I hit the wall. It was so responsive, I couldn't get it off the wall because it was going so fast. But you guys, try one of these out, man. It was like $50-something. I'll have the link below down in the description. And try one of these out, man. I mean, honestly, for the price, this thing was really cool. All right, man, this is DZ. We see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Love you all. Peace out.